Hi there, and welcome to On Target Digital Marketing Insights. I'm Tom Jelneck, owner of On Target Web Solutions, and we try on a monthly basis to really bring you up to snuff, let you know what's going on in the marketplace, let you know what's going on with social media, search, maybe design trends, content, etc. Wanted to spend some time with you today to discuss some stuff that's happening in social media. So let's just jump right into it. So one of the things we're seeing this week is a threat to small business owners from Facebook. Basically, if you've done a Facebook ad, you've seen that the organic reach on Facebook for businesses and pages has unfortunately really declined. Well, there's obviously a reason for this. Facebook's out to make some money off of you. So one of the things to be mindful of is in the future, Facebook's going to start penalizing small businesses with that may be putting too much ad copy in their, in the content of their posting. So you're going to want to back off of, always selling and always putting promotional copy in your ads. Just something to really keep on your radar. Remember, the point of social media is to engage, not to sell. So Facebook's really trying to make it a really quality user experience for everybody involved. So keep that in mind. I want to talk about Twitter too. They've launched a really cool new app, a new dashboard, if you will, for small businesses that'll give you instant access to some analytics, some trends, data on your advertising spends, etc. A really solid platform. We all need help with this, so do a Google search, check it out. It's basically called Twitter Business Planner. So a very useful tool. We're excited to see that. LinkedIn, for all you LinkedIn lovers, they're now allowing you to actually add a cover photo. This used to be only available for the premium users, but now you can actually go in and edit your own background photo up there at the top. So I encourage you to do that quickly. You'll definitely want to stand out and have your profile stand out, and that's a great way to do it. So what's going on in search? Of course, this is the thing that changes every minute of every single day. SEO is a moving target, and certainly our team here is here to stay on top of it for you. But one of the things we're seeing, there's been a Penguin update that's been rolling and rolling and rolling. It's still going on. It was hot and heavy around Thanksgiving, but we're still seeing signs of it today, signs of it yesterday. So we know that Google's constantly running this algorithm change. So what does that mean to you? Stay on top of your rankings, take a look. If you see some slips, maybe you'll see some positive movement, which would be great too. But just know that Google is, again, in a constant state of flux. You need some help, give us a call. We can take a look at things for you and see what's going on with your site. Lastly, I just want to give you share a content tip. Listen, we all know how vitally important content is for your website, for your social media, for blogging, etc. But let's face it, we're starting to run out of ideas from time to time. There's times when I could sit and write 10 blogs in one sitting, but there's also times when I'm sitting here spacing out and blanking out, looking at a whiteboard, and I got nothing. So one of the things I do is I'll go out to Twitter and start looking at the trends and the hashtags. I'll see what's trending. And then once I get a better hang of that, I can usually sit down and craft and make we call it an editorial calendar, but I can plot out some blog posts based on these trends. So hopefully that's helpful to you. Here's the most important tip I can leave you. With everything you do, with your content, with your website, with your search, don't forget to be remarkable. There's way too many people out there, way too many folks on the internet, and life's too short just not to be remarkable. So make everything you do amazing and fantastic. If you need help making anything, creating it, running an SEO campaign or content, please be sure to give On Target a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.